So here's a proper startup on a Superformance Corvette here, Grand Sport with EFI. So it's an LT4.
So you gotta hit the disarm button for the alarm.
Okay.
Let the fuel pump prime.
Give it a little fuel.
And then we'll high idle and come down.
Come down like normal. So yeah, you don't have to pump the gas.
Yeah.
Just turn the key.
And that's it.
Sounds good, B.
Yeah, so it's just hit the throttle and it rips.
Grand Sport, 600 plus horsepower, LT4 supercharged.
It breaks them loose easy.
It definitely breaks them loose. That big tire hooks.
Oh yeah. So it does all its proper stuff, you know?
Sounds great. Beast Performance, knocking out another one. This customer is going to pick up here soon.
Our steering integrated, brake fluid and clutch fluid, and then supercharger coolant. Woo, it's purple because you know, it runs the water wetter stuff and water. And then right there's your regular engine coolant. There's your breather tank. Kind of everything's silver and black. The feng shui of the LT4-ish.
And how much power was this?
649 at the tire.
That ought to do it.
Yeah, 12 pounds of boost. I mean, great power. Custom front accessory drive.
91 octane.
91 octane, yeah. You can get away with that on LT4.
Yeah, they're great. They're great engines.
Yeah,